A great sneaker balances style, comfort, and lasting quality in every step. My name is Eric, and this is my review of the newly designed Maxwell Trainers from Beckett Simonon, now featuring their new logo. Like all my reviews, I like to keep it short and to the point, so let's dive right in. The sneakers are available on their website in 4 color options: white graphite white, white bordeaux white graphite gum, and white bordeaux gum. If you're unsure about sizing, you can check their size guide, but in my experience, they're true to size, so your usual shoe size should work fine. Beckett Simonon sneakers are made to order, meaning they're crafted only after you place an order. Delivery can take some time. These took about a month for me, so that's just something you should keep in mind in case you need the shoes immediately. These sneakers come in premium packaging, including 2 protective shoe sleeves, extra insoles, and an extra pair of laces. Looking at the design, the new logo adds character, and the overall aesthetic is stylish yet minimal at the same time without trying too hard to be flashy. They're crafted from full-grain leather, which is durable and ages beautifully over time, and complemented by water-repellent suede that's both soft and sturdy. The rubber sole provides solid traction on most surfaces, and the gum sole, available in 2 of the color options, is a personal favorite of mine when it comes to sneaker design in general. Like many full-grain leather sneakers, they're a bit stiff at first, so expect a short break-in period. Maintenance is straightforward. Occasional leather conditioning and careful cleaning of the suede will keep them looking fresh in the future. The leather-lined insoles are soft and supportive, which also makes them comfortable for daily wear. Here's how they appear on foot. They have a great silhouette to them and a sharp profile overall. You should be able to pair these with a variety of different outfits due to the versatile design. They're not heavy, and once broken in, they feel flexible and comfortable on foot. At the end of the day, are they worth it? Price-wise, they may be on the higher end, but the craftsmanship, materials, and overall design will help justify the investment. The Maxwell Trainers combine build quality, style, and comfort into a sleek, premium package. The only downside is the delivery wait time, but if you're patient, it's worth it. As always, I like to keep my reviews short and to the point. Whether you get the Maxwell Trainers or not is up to you. I'm just here to give you my perspective, and hopefully this video helps with your decision-making process. Alright, that's it from me today. My name is Eric. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm out.